will hopefully lead to it. Thank you.
Your words remind us that young people need not only opportunities but also role models who encourage them to think and search for a meaning. Storyteller, whose work has made generations of young Indians question identity, ambition, relationships, dreams. His story is repeatedly asked one deep human question: who am I, really? In a room full of young people,
it's always Ashwin has done and is hoping to do and is going to end up doing, I suspect. You and PACT Foundation have already delivered a hit.
thank you so much. One thing worth remembering. A vision may begin with one person, but it becomes a movement because
Well, to begin with, I'm very, very grateful that I could be a part of this room that has such incredible stories. I'm so inspired. I truly believe the only way to have a strong, thriving society, a strong, thriving country is by giving strong education, especially to students that don't have access to the means that other students in cities or that come from affluent families would have. And I think Dr. Ashwin, PACT, and all the organizations that have come here today are doing such an incredible job at it. Education is something that's very dear to my heart. I individually have been working in Madhya Pradesh doing something similar, and I actually wanted to learn from Dr. Ashwin what are the systems and processes that he's put together to bring about such large impact. And I'm really, really happy to be back in Goa. My heart is here, and yeah.
What is the importance of rural education in India?
I think, as I said in my previous answer as well, I feel there are sections within our society that don't have access to the kind of education that gives them a platform on a global stage. And it is just not about it's just not about taking the traditional route of education. It is also about maybe you wanting to become a sports person, you wanted to become somebody from the films, a NASA scientist. You know, the world should be your oyster, and I feel, especially in our rural education, we need to strengthen our system so much that every child gets an opportunity to fair education. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Actually,
If there won't be any
possible
urgency,
just
we want to
one message, sir. One message. Yeah. Okay. So today, the was first radio, Mandavi Railway is launched. How is important on the?
It's wonderful to have a community. Goa is all about community. Goa एक अलग से जगह है इस दुनिया में, and उसको वैसे ही हमेशा उसका आइडेंटिटी रहेगा. एंड ये जो रेडियो मांडोवी है, ये कम्युनिटी का रेडियो है, तो आई वुड एनकरेज एवरीवन इन गोवा टू पार्टिसिपेट इन इट, कम अप with their talent and their views, and engage with Radio Mandovi 88.4. All the best.
सर गोवा के कल्चर और संस्कृति